we are on the race that the most efficient people, the most effective people will be winning. So I move 3 or 5 clicks using this extension. That's why I'm more productive even if only 4 or 5 clicks away. Hi, hello guys, this is Gani, and in today's video I want to show you that 4 NotebookLM's tweaks that you never known before. So if you like me, you've done so many things using NotebookLM, that's so wonderful apps, wonderful AI that makes my happy a lot easier using NotebookLM. So this is the right video for you. So don't forget to subscribe and make sure you watch this video until the end of the video. Okay, these 4 NotebookLM tweaks that you never known before. Let's get it on. The first one, number 1, Gem or the Gemini integration. So in case you never known that recently in my country, especially I'm from Indonesia by the way, so recently NotebookLM released integration feature to Gemini. Is it important? So what's in it for me? So this integration, which is could be on Gemini or Gem, it's easier for us to use Gemini power or Gem. If you never known the Gems before, Gems, okay, that's sharing AI like ChatGPT custom, like that, using your own sources, which is your own sources on your NotebookLM already curated, already filtered by you. So it's supposed to be what we call it, very only gist that you care about the topics. Okay, let's get it on how to doing that. It's very easy. What you have to do, you just go to your Gemini, and then this attachment icon, it simply just add NotebookLM. Voila. As simple as that. You can add NotebookLM. You choose which NotebookLM. For example, I will choose the let's say this NotebookLM. This is how I learned N8N using NotebookLM, and I'm doing it very fast. I'm done it very fast. So I could talk to the NotebookLM, use Gemini. So what's the difference Gemini and NotebookLM itself? So it's same chat and nothing different. No, what you never, in case you never known, there is a tools called Canvas. So if I click this one, and then I can ask Gemini, please make a website based on my NotebookLM. Wait for a while. Later, NotebookLM, the Gemini will create a website based on the sources on my NotebookLM. That's so great. So instead of using Canvas on the NotebookLM, they throw it to the Gemini integration. That's a good move, I think, because NotebookLM already good. Maybe some feature not available yet. Later we discuss on the point number 2 and number 3. If the NotebookLM, Google put many features on NotebookLM, people got overwhelming, and the core value of this LAG or this closed LM would be not so good anymore. See, this is Nano N8N. As you can see, the industrial scale AI image factory, and then this is the website, perfect text rendering, and so on. So this is so great. You can build your own website or apps using your NotebookLM. As I told you before, that your NotebookLM, when it's already stable, which is you already gist or filtered and curate all the sources, that's eligible, not eligible, that's suitable for you to integrate it with Gemini. This is for Gemini, and then the second one, integrated with Gems. In case you never know, Gems is like custom GPT. We fill in the Gemini with our own knowledge. Previously, before this integration, Gemini or Gems, we should upload sources like NotebookLM anyway, but now we just put our NotebookLM, so not so different. But the thing is, you cook your own source first on NotebookLM. So you chat, you do podcast, you anything, you polish your sources on NotebookLM and then put on the Gemini or on the Gems, so you don't need to put it anymore. You don't need to put it one by one the sources manually. So just click New Gem and then click NotebookLM. For instance, I will choose randomly. Let's say this one. No. Maybe this one, vibe coding. This vibe coding. Click Add and then click Share, Save, and then later these gems you could share to anyone. You could share to anyone with the Gemini features. Actually, on NotebookLM, we could share our NotebookLM to anyone as well, but I think for Gems it's more versatile, and then so many people already familiar with Gems interface. So that's a good integration for Google. Good job, Google. Gems or Gemini integration. I love it. Let's move to the second tweaks that you never know about Notebook LM. Second, switching language. Is it important? For me, yes, I'm important. It is so important. I'm Indonesian, and then I have so many Notebook LMs, which is in my daily use. I comfortably use my own language since the context, since the case, using my own language is more suitable. But for developing, for go global, for this YouTube channel, and then for understanding, for global knowledge like N8N, and then like vibe coding, like I showed you earlier on this video, that needs English understanding. So this is Indonesia for myself or use cases, my own business, for example, and then for English, I need for general understanding. That's why this is important. No, I mean not important. Why? That's why I'm switching language a lot. Indonesia, English, Indonesia, English, because each maybe I have this Notebook LM suitable for Indonesian language, and then this Notebook LMs suitable for English language, and so on. I know you are in the same way like me. You are facing the same problem with me. So now we have the solution, but this one we need to third-party apps, which is Chrome extension. Later, I will put on the link on down below. You just click one. This is the Notebook LM tools. By this one, you could switch your Notebook LM easily. Switch the language. As you can see, I already at the first setup, you have to click this gear icon, and then you have to start your language. I already start my language ID, which is Indonesia, and then English, and which is English. So after these two already start, you could click ID and English very easily. So for instance, this N8N, here you can see on the output language, this is English. I will change it to Indonesian. Settings, output language, Indonesian. So what's the difference with using the basic feature from the Notebook LM? So actually, we are on the race that the most efficient people, the most effective people will be winning. So I move 3 or 5 clicks using this extension. That's why I'm more productive, even if only 4 or 5 clicks away. This is matter for me, okay? Only 5 clicks away, 5 clicks away. That's matter today. We are on the race, the efficiency races, and then the effect, and then yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, that's the second tweaks that you never known about Notebook LM. So let's move to the third tweaks. The third one, add source while browsing. This feature only from Notebook LM tools, the Chrome extension that I showed you before. You just install that from the link on down below, and then this extension could feed while you're browsing. For instance, I will what is it, Hollywood, not Hollywood, maybe MSCI. What is it, MSCI? I don't know. So I just click. Let's say I want to, no problem. Let's say I want to make this source to my Notebook LM. Actually, it's easy. Just copy the URL and then go to the Notebook LM and then paste to the sources. But as I told you before, that we efficient about 5 or 6 clicks. That's a good thing. I think that's matter today, because we are on a very vast world, efficient or remove 5-6 clicks away every day. That's matter. So while I'm browsing, okay, this content was good, I need it to my Notebook LM. You just click the extension, and then where is it? This one, and then you could add to existing Notebook LM. See, I could add to N8N or any Notebook LM that I want. Just click add, and then voila, later this page, this content will be on your sources. 5 or 6 away, 5-6 clicks away. Okay, that's the third tweak. And the last tweak, foldering. I don't know how come Google not noticed this feature, because to be honest, I'm quite goofy to see my Notebook LM quite messy like this, and then usually I put it on title sorting, and then easy for me to locate my Notebook LM. So using another Chrome extension, the name is Folder LLM, create folders in Notebook LM. You could foldering your Notebook LM. So I will enable first the extension. Zip done, and then I could refresh it. As you can see, I could create new folder on my Notebook LM. So you could separate anything you want, your works, yourself, or your love, or anything, your job, your business, your hustle, your content creation in the specific folder. So it makes you more structural. It makes us easier to find what we want, because I keep expanding the Notebook LM counts, because it's so good. I love it. The notebook LM. So if by now I might say I have about 20. In the next future, maybe 50, 100. So this new folder or foldering system absolutely definitely needed. Guys, that's it. This video. I hope you could get anything from this, and then later I will put down below the link about where to install the Chrome extension I told you before. Don't forget to subscribe, support, please support me. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.